On our WordPress dashboard, inside this Post option, choose Sub-option Categories. It's showing all the categories here. To add a new category, insert category name. We can also insert parent category from here. We don't need a parent category, so we will select None. And then click on this Add New Category button. So the category is added successfully. Let's add a new one. Enter name, and we are going to choose one parent category for this. We have just created WordPress, so let's choose it, and click on the Add button. So the subcategory is created under the parent category, WordPress. You can view it from here, and it is showing under its parent category. Let's go to All Posts. Click on it. Select your article, and click on this Edit button. So here on the right, you can see all of your categories. Select the category you want your post to be in. You can select just Parent category or Parent with Child category. Your choice, and click on the Update button. We have selected only one category, and it's updated. You can add a new category from here also. Click on it. Add new category. Insert category name, and click on this Add New button. It's added successfully right here. Select the new one, and again, update. Go back to this Categories option, and you can see it's added here also. Now, back to All Posts. Select this Quick Edit option. You can quickly edit the post details here, like the title, and select categories also, and then click on the Update button. So here the category is added successfully, and the Tags column is empty. So let's go back to the Edit option. Below you can see the text box to insert tags. Insert your desired tags and separate them with comma. So we have separated them with a comma, and it's already instructed here. Click on this Add button. You can also remove them by clicking on this Cross option. Then click on this Update button. Here on the left, you also have Tags option. Click on it. Here are all your tags. You can add new from here. Just insert tag name and click on this Add New Tag button. Your tags are added successfully. Now back to All Posts, and again on the Edit option. So in Tags text box, write the initial letters of your tags, and it's suggesting the previously added tag name. Click on the suggestion, and it added them like this. Then click on this Add button. Then Update. Back to All Posts, and you can see added tags are shown here in this Tags column. You can also add from this Quick Edit. On the right, you have Tags box. You can add new tags from here or delete some for this post. Then click on this Update button. Your new added tags have been shown here in the text column. Go back to this Tag option on the left, and here also you can see your newly added tags are shown. You can delete the tags if you want. Click on Delete and then OK for confirmation. So your tags have been deleted. Back to All Posts. You can see those deleted tags have already been removed from here. So that's pretty much everything with categories and tags. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to learn everything about the dashboard's media option. We'll see step by step how to add media into the library and into your posts. So on the WordPress dashboard, go to the Media option on the left bar and click on it. So here it is showing that the media library is empty. You can add new files from this button at the top from this left bar, Add New option. It opens the Upload page. You can drag and drop files here or select files. It's a multi-file uploader and maximum upload size is 32 megabytes. Let's find some images. Search free royalty-free images on Google. Here are various sites that offer free royalty-free images. We will choose this Pixabay. You can see there are so many images here. Choose whichever one you like. Here it has a free download option. You can select the size, then download. Now back on the Upload page, click on this Select Files button and select your image to upload. Now it's uploaded successfully, and you can also drop files to upload here. Let's download one more image. You can also drag and drop the files directly to upload. Drop inside this box to upload. Otherwise, the file will not be uploaded. So now it's uploaded successfully, and you can see it in the list. Go back to the library. Your uploaded images are shown here. Select any one, and on the right, the additional options are available. You can edit image title, caption, description, or you can also edit the image itself. Click on this Edit Image button. Here are the options to crop, rotate anti-clockwise, clockwise, turning upside down, vertical flipping. For cropping, select the button, then set the frame, and choose Save. Now the image is cropped. You can add additional details and save it. Go back to the library by closing this panel. Now to insert images directly in the post, go to the post and choose to Add New. Here you can see on top, Add Media button to add your media files. Let's download some more images, and we are going to add them directly into our posts. So it's downloaded. Choose this Add Media button, and on the Upload panel, drop or select files to upload. After uploading, click on this Insert into Post button. The image is successfully inserted. Select it, and you can change its alignment from these buttons. Click on this Edit Image button. You can change its size, its alignment, and then click on the Update button. So now the changes have been implemented, and save them with this Save Draft button. When you open Media, you can see that the new directly uploaded image has been added in the library automatically. We can see it here. So that's pretty much everything with the Media option. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to explore everything about the Dashboard's Pages option. We'll see step by step how to edit existing pages and add new pages. From the WordPress dashboard, choose this Pages option. Your existing pages are shown here with the page title, and then below we have got editing options including Edit, Trash, and Preview. Click on this View button and it will open your page. Here on top, we have that Add New button. Click on it. You can add new pages by inserting page title, page body content. You can see the page link is automatically generated. Then click on this Publish button. You can view your new page by clicking this View Page option. Your page will look something like this. Now go to All Pages option from Pages, and you can see your newly added page is showing on top. You can also delete some pages by clicking on this Trash option, and here it shows we have one page in the trash. Click on Trash above, and you can delete this page permanently from here. So now the page is deleted permanently. You can confirm it from here. So that's pretty much everything with the Pages option. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to learn everything about the dashboard's Comments option. We'll see step by step how to edit and delete comments from your posts.